Okay, so today my intention is to take you on a little bike ride. We are going to head to the destination of Turi Mountain, up to where the church is, that white church. On the way, I'm going to go through the little village of San Joaquín. You're going to get an idea of what the real locals live like here in just outside of Cuenca. We'll go by some cornfields, we'll go by some tiendas, and then we're going to ride along the Yanuncay River, along Primero de Mayo, and then we'll take the road all the way up to Turi Mountain. It's a bit of a climb, but it's always good to get a little workout. I'm not sure what the weather is going to do today, so we'll see. It's, high in the mountains, in the Andes Mountains of South America, so the weather is pretty hard to predict, and you just got to do what you got to do. If I get rained on, well, I have a rain jacket. After we hit Turi Mountain, after we summit, we will go down, and I would like to take you along the Tomebamba River on the way home. Tomebamba runs along the south end of Cuenca El Centro, and so you can see how beautiful the buildings are there and the old architecture, and I think this will be a really lovely ride. I'm pretty sure that you're going to enjoy it a lot. This is where we start. Come on in. I've just gotten out of San Joaquín, and I just wanted to see that it does look like we picked a good day to ride. I like these hills because they remind me of like Dr. Seuss. Okay, so we are coming upon Primero de Mayo, and I'm going to take this bike path. We'll take it all the way to the end until we meet up with Solano, and then we'll start our climb. So I wanted to stop here so that you could see this building here is where our fun Carmen used to live. She lived and looked out over the Yanuncay. Wanted you to see the view that she used to have. It is really a beautiful place to live. I am anxious to see where she lives in Portugal, and of course we will share an update when I get there eventually. Okay, we're at the end. That's Solano and Tres Puntas, 3 bridges. Probably slotted that, but we are going to start the climb. At the beginning it's not so bad, but then it does peak out. So we are going to the church. Take me to the church. That is where we're going to end up here in a little bit. Okay, I made it. As you see, there's the church. All right, I haven't been on my bike in a while because it's been raining a lot and I've been so busy trying to move out of this country. So I am out of shape. And the last time I rode up here, it was much more victorious and I was much stronger. So, well, it just means that I need to start working out more. Now that the weather's better, I can get on my bike again. All right, so we are up here, and then this is the great view that you guys have seen before with me. Clouds are almost always over the west, which is, those are the Cajas there. And I am going to be going down Solano. So we were down there at the roundabout down there, and you see the nice big Avenida Solano. We're gonna go down there, and then we're gonna get to the Tomebamba River. You see the strip of green along that makes a T at the end of Solano. Well, that is the Tomebamba River and the bottom of El Centro. So that's where we headed next. Decided maybe to stop in and see my travel agent Brian and just kind of give him an update of what's going on with my visa process for Portugal. And if he's not busy, I'll introduce you to him because he's really a great guy and he's helped me a ton. This is Brian, my friend Brian. Brian is
Hello.
my travel agent, and he has done so many wonderful things for me to try to get me to Portugal. So I just came in today to update Brian and to tell him what's going on. So I recommend that if you come and you decide to move to Cuenca, that you come here, and I will give you Brian's contact information because he's great.
Thank you for trusting us, Vicky. We are here to assist everybody.
Okay, great.
It'll be a pleasure.
Thank you so much, Brian.
You're so very welcome.
All right now I'm at the bicycle path on the Tomebamba River. This is 3 de Noviembre, and this is the broken bridge. So, super nice bike path that will take us home. Well, most of the way. Anyway. Stop. Right over here is the Mayu, which is a nice restaurant, food that I like, good margaritas. Just some of the architecture,